to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Post multiple haul videos, vlogs, shopping, all that. So if you like all that content, definitely hit that subscribe button below. Don't want to miss my videos. I just painted my nails and my hair is getting stuck to them. Anyway, I'm away, clearly background change. And of course, I went to a lot of Dollar Trees. So this is what I got. First off, I got this water because I was so thirsty. This water is just great. So anyway, number one, I got this book, 2054, and it just talks about like what 2054 is going to be like. Yikes. But there's so many different other ones, like 2034 and all these other ones, which I definitely want to get all the other years, but found this very interesting, so got that. Then we got some new 3D erasers. How cute are these? We have like a little milk, egg, croissant, cupcake, and bread. How adorable. So we have that set. And then we have little animals, which the turtle is what got me. So got those. Then I got some more of the Gotcha Glimmers. So I got the blue one. How cute are these though? So I got that little set. And then we got the purple set, which is adorable too. And then the pink, or like the dark pink set. These are $1.75. Then I got this stackable bracelet. I'll take it out of the wrapper. These actually fit so cute too. I tried them on the other day. They're adjustable. But we got this little stackable set. Super cute. And then we got this little notebook. Success is in the details. Just like a black matte. Looks really bougie notebook. And then we got the sheer pink glow up lip balm. I'm on the hunt for all of them, and I'm pretty sure now I have all of them. So got that. Then I got the tinted lip balm in Bunny Fuchsia because I'm obsessed with tinted lip balms right now. So super cute. And then I'll always pick this set up, the strawberry shortcake, lemon pie, and fresh strawberry because I'm obsessed with these. So I'll always pick these up. Then we got the Lee Mercier Mocha Rose Dark Sensation Hydrating Lip Stain Non-Sticky Hydrating Formula with Hyaluronic Acid Buildable Color. Don't ever remember seeing this shade. So pick this up. And then I picked up this one, which is Night Bloom Smooth and Creamy Formula Stunning Lip Tint. So kind of like they kind of resemble each other. One's a stain, one's a tint. Is there a difference? I don't know yet. So that's that. Then bring my bag. Remember when these came out forever ago? I love these, and I got another one because these are a gem. So I got this. Then got my favorite hair clip. I got pink, dark blue, and black. I hope they have more colors of these. These are great. Then I got the Amber Glow Golden Amber deodorant. They had other scents, but I heard bad reviews on the other one, so I wasn't even gonna try, so we got this one though. Then we got the Ouchie glow-in-the-dark fabric bandages. I just think glow-in-the-dark bandages are funny. I don't know why, but these just cracked me up, so we got them. Then we got the What a Beaut Lip Envy Lip Gloss Moisturizes and Softens. I got this for my aunt's house, so I can keep it here. But I love the formulas. I've been wearing the light pink, and it goes on like a beauty. And then I got this one again too. I love the formula of these. Then I finally found the Storage Essentials Straw Organizer. Like, I cannot wait to put all my straws in here. They're just like everywhere on the countertop. Now there's room. So, oh, you get 2 pieces. I did not realize that. 1 set. So, definitely a great find. Then, I did find a big claw clip in like this purple, different shape of the other one, but again, it does not like break your hand. It's not like hard on your hand, on your head. So got this one. I actually got 2 because they were the last 2. So I was like. Then we got the sheer mauve. So we got sheer pink, sheer mauve, and I have the nude already. So got that. Then I found the Moto flushable wipes, unscented, cleans better than bath tissue, and you just get 20. I feel like this is a name brand, obviously, but these are great for travel. So got those. Then we got the Strawberry Shortcake Strawberry Scented Lip Gloss. So we're finding all the strawberry shortcake stuff again. It looks like that. And then we got the sheer pink. Okay, so I guess I got 2 sheer pinks because 2 different days. I didn't know. So 2 sheer pinks. And I did get a set of these hair clips just because when I'm doing my makeup or straightening my hair, these are essential. Then this one we got the Hydro Shine Mineral Fusion Making Beauty Healthy lipsticks. This shade I'm obsessed with, so picked it up immediately. What shade is it? Does it say? There's a shade. And then this is so random, but I got this little Curiosities Collect Them All toy. And I'm opening this because I want to know. I hope I got the spider. That's what I wanted, was the spider. So let's see what I got. I got the spider. I don't know the point in this, but I just thought it was funny. So I guess you just bend it. Is that it? Is that all you do? Collect them all, 3D printed, flex and play. So I guess it just goes like this. Okay, interesting. So I guess it's just a 3D spider. Oh, I guess you can bend it however you want. Okay. Interesting enough. So I've got that. And then bag. And then I got some more of the little gems. We got the yellow. And we got the purple. Got the green. Come on. Green. There we go. Green. Blue. And pink. So that's the first couple bags. Not mad. Ow. Then for our last bag of this video, we got the liquid blush in Raspberry Spice Berry. I just love like the darker pink shade for blush. So we got that. Then we got the 3-pack Beauty Blender sponges. I love these colors. And I love that you get a case too with it. So we got these. Then we got the Be Pure Hydrating Night Lip Mask. So love this. Supposedly there's like a new packaging, so I will be on the hunt for that. For now, we got that. Then we got the Lightweight High Shine Beauty Intuition Smooth and Glossy Tinted Lip Oil in Pink Berry. I do not remember the Pink Berry shade, so we definitely picked this one up. Tinted Lip Oil, my go-to. So we got that. Then we got the Golden Girls. So we got the Golden Girls with the faces on it, which that's what I was looking for. So we got Rose Glow, We got Dorothy Doo. We got Blanche Blush, is that how you say it? And then we have Sophia Shine. So that is everything I got from a couple dollar stores in a different area. So definitely found some new stuff, found some repeats that I've been looking for, but I'm not mad at it. And I have so many more bags next to me that I'm filming for, so you definitely want to subscribe, watch all my videos, and share the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, subscribe.